Measles, one of the biggest party poopers in the world. But what even are measles? Sadly, measles are not some kind of fluffy little animal you have never heard about. In fact, you would rather not like to come into contact with measles, since in reality, it is a germ that causes a heavy illness. Still no need to panic since most of us were vaccinated early in our lives, more specifically when you were only 12 to 15-month old. Therefore, you are protected and will not get sick. That brings us back to our original question. What are measles? Like mentioned earlier, measles, or more specifically the measles virus, is a germ that enters your body and causes sickness. In order to do harm, the virus needs to enter the body. This usually happens when a person breathes in droplets from an infected person's sneeze or cough. The virus can also spread by touching surfaces with the virus on them and then touching your face. Once inside the body, the measles virus heads to the back of the throat and the lungs. This is where it begins to multiply. The virus then spreads to other parts of the body via traveling through the bloodstream, reaching different organs and the skin. After about 10 to 14 days, the infected person starts to show symptoms. These include a high fever, coughing, a runny nose, red eyes, and an itchy rash that usually starts on the face and spreads to the rest of the body. Pretty heavy, right? Now we know how measles spread and which symptoms they cause. But when are you contagious? You can infect your friends even before the start of the symptoms, being infective 4 days before until 4 days after the symptoms appear. Getting infected with measles is actually pretty easy, since it is highly contagious. 9 out of 10 people get infected after coming into contact with an infected person. Now quiz time! If you listened, the next 3 questions will be easy. After seeing the questions and some options, you will have 5 seconds to answer. First question, what are measles? A, a rare animal. B, a contagious disease. C, some yummy crackers. The right answer was B, a contagious disease. Next question. How can you get infected with measles? A, when you breathe in droplets from an infected person. B, when you watch TV for too long. C, you can buy them at a pet shop. This time, the right answer was when you breathe in droplets from an infected person. Okay, time for our final question. Which symptoms are caused by the measles virus? A, a heavy tummy ache. B, fever, a cough, a runny nose, an ugly rash. C, a really good mood. The right answer is answer B, fever, a cough, a runny nose, an ugly rash. So how did you do? I'm sure you did well. Anyways, thank you a lot for watching this video. I hope you learned something. Stay healthy and stay interested.